What's up, tribe? I am here doing my first video. I have the husband behind, and as promised, I am talking about vibrational frequency and how I am super high all the time on what is vibrational frequency. Everybody is like, it's all on Instagram, on the internet, but basically the universe is made up of vibrational frequency on different levels. Like, honestly, even the things that seem solid to us, they're really made up of a vibrational energy field that is on a quantum level. And I really loved researching this, and I can go in depth, but I'm gonna save that for another video. So scientifically proven, we as a people, we are a being of vibrational frequency. That's what fills us up on different levels. We have physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and these frequencies, they are either high or low. And when I started researching this, it really intrigued me because I used to ask myself in the past, like, why the heck am I sometimes irritated for no reason? I mean, there's always a reason though, but at the time I wasn't aware of these vibrational frequencies. Like, for example, you know, when you're hangry, when you didn't get to eat and everything around you irritates you, like my husband sometimes, God bless his soul, but or that, like, maybe you just kept getting like phone calls from people with drama and you're trying to be there for them, but at the same time it was actually draining your energy. And or you just keep looking at the news and it's just bad things going on in the world and just makes you sad, and you are giving attention to so many things that actually takes the energy out of you. And or you're not taking the time to find solutions like, Dara, you need to go and get something to eat with your undecisive self, because it would have probably taken me another extra hour to figure out what I wanted to eat and fill my body up with food. So becoming aware of the type of vibrational frequency that's either within you or that is around you is a way to know where you're vibrating. And it's really a feeling, because you know when you're vibrating high. Like, you're just up, you get ready, you want to just tackle all of these things on a to-do list, or you know, you have your hump day that happens to be every day for a good amount of time, and you're just ready to conquer the world. And it's our job to sit back and reflect. That's why I always tell Mixxy Tribe that you need to take time to reflect on a daily basis. Now, I know that's hard, but to just try to do it maybe on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, and see what your habits were and what was resonating with you and what made you have a low vibration. Know that energy attracts energy. So it all, what I call, sometimes you gotta vibrate. I'm gonna keep going. Sometimes you have to spring clean people and or things to help protect your energy field. And it's nothing personal, it's just that if they are not resonating with you, or the things are not resonating with you anymore, then you gotta just let it go. And you have to be the one to be able to do that. So I have been doing that, and it honestly has been working for me. Try, like, man, it's been an amazing, amazing journey. And this is why I do this. And I really wanted to express my experience with you. So I had to get up because my legs were hurting. And the sun, as much as I love it, was beating on my face. My face is so hot right now. Like, thank you universe, but goddamn. So a lot of people ask me, how do you raise your vibration? first thing is you have to be aware of your conscious. You have to tap into that. Once you tap into that, you are able to make shift happen. So everything that you think, feel, speak, listen, you can turn that into reality, and the universe is listening to you. So be kind to yourself and really start making it a habit to become aware of your thoughts, because once you do that, it's baby steps. This is not going to happen overnight if you're really serious about this journey of being self-aware. Once you start doing this, listen, things will change. You have a domino effect that can be bad, and then you have the domino effect that can work wonders. You can make the choice. For me, I've been making a great choice, and I am seeing the amount of power that's in me, and that it's not luck. It's not luck. I attracted this. I invited this within myself, within my energy field. People that rock with me know, and their energies are at the utmost high, living their best life. So I highly suggest that just practice. There's so many other steps that, you know, you can raise your frequency, but the most important is to be aware of your conscious mind. I can make another video if you want to, because this was actually kind of fun, and give you a couple more steps of the things, like it's also food, the way you speak, the things that you watch. But this is it for my first video. You know where to find me on Instagram, Facebook, all social media. Just type at MixxyKreations, Mixxy Kreations, and let's continue this. Let's continue this community. Leave comments below on maybe something else that you want me to talk about. Clearly, I can speak a lot. Thanks, babe, for always listening to me and being my right-hand man. And I love you guys so much. And let's vibrate high. Let's get 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 high.